That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to be showing you some home improvements that we made to our living room, our kitchen, as well as our dining space, and also the outdoor space. If you're interested in seeing what the results look like, then please just keep on watching. So here in the living room we have a really large window, and we don't have any blinds because I was wanting to install plantation shutters, and that still may happen in the future, but for me to feel a little bit more secure, we thought we'd go ahead and get some blinds. So we took a little trip to Lowe's on one of Luke's days off, and we opted for the cordless blinds because the rest of the blinds in the home are also cordless. So we got two blinds because it's two separate windows. And here you can see he has already installed one blind and he's getting ready to install the second one. And I wanted you guys to see what the blinds look like at night open. You can definitely see there was some security issues there, so I do feel really safer now. And there goes Lucas escaping from the house. He's a little bad baby. And now moving on to our dining space. This picture is very beautiful as is, but it was a little bland, so I already taped off the wall because I knew I was going to go to Sherwin-Williams to find a coat of paint, but the selection was so large it took me a while to figure out what I truly wanted. So I stayed there for quite some time and looked through several shades, but I did finally pick a specific color. It's really gorgeous. It's called Reflecting Pool, and it is a part of the Emerald collection by Sherwin-Williams. And I thought you guys would get a kick out of just watching me stir this paint because it's just so pretty. I would definitely use it again, but not on a wall in particular. But yeah, it's really pretty. So the first thing I did was remove the outlet covers because I wanted the painting to be really cohesive and clean and smooth. And right here you can just see me doing all the trim work just so I can have a little bit of an easier time doing the painting of this wall. I did do a total of 2 coats, and this is what it looks like. And here's the final reveal. The artwork was purchased off of Amazon. It is just simply 6 herb pictures that I framed in some white frames that I purchased from Walmart. And it just looks so good. I did originally think that the blinds simply by themselves at the window was going to be okay, but now that I put the curtain up, everything looks so much better. In the future I will probably change out the light fixture, but for right now I'm happy with everything. So I just wanted you guys to see that the cabinets were very plain, but on one of Luke's days off, on his honey-do list, I said, babe, I want my cabinet jewelry, aka my cabinet pulls. So yeah, he is installing them for me. And as you can see, he's got on one hat, and then another time on the same day, he's gonna be wearing a different hat. I don't know if it gave him better juju or what, but he got everything done. And this is how everything looks after he completed all the pulls in one day. I'm so proud of him. He worked so hard, but it looks so good. Don't you agree? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling about the kitchen. I'd really appreciate it. And I added some greenery and some words up top, and it means to me, create the life you deserve by faith and prayer. And you can too create the life that you deserve. Just keep the faith, stay prayed up, and it can happen for you, whatever you desire. So from the inside of the home, you can clearly see that there is a piece of concrete slab outside, and I do have my little sloth outdoor mat, and here's a better view of everything. It's just a bunch of sand and pine straw. So we wanted to do something to have some extended living space, so we opted to build a deck. And this is the first day that the guy came out. That's what everything looked like. The second day, he worked really fast, I gotta tell you. And on the third day, it was completed, and Lucas let me take this cute pic, and that is the baby. It's so gorgeous. And that is our family picture after everything was done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And you know what? You ought to be following me on Instagram, because I have a good feed, in my opinion, but who's to say? You can tell me once you start following me, okay? Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!